Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to enable location in our Infinix phone and guys how can we enable location after enable guys how can we use it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to enable phone location and we will scroll it guys. Sorry friends, I paused the video. Guys, now continue. So we will scroll after on phone setting, guys. So once you can see guys your phone location setting. So we will tap here. So when how can you enable guys? You can this setting is not working. So once you want to enable, you can enable from this right side. Then guys you can use your location setting. As you can see Wi-Fi scanning, you want to enable disable Bluetooth scanning. Guys you can enable and disable from here guys. Guys you can see your location notification you want to. Guys you can see source like GPS, Wi-Fi, mobile network and sensor to helps. So once you can enable your phone location guys you can use it. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video fam, we will meet on next video, bye bye friends.